So this is for Table 1, Experimental Data and Observations. For the first activity, it was the synthesis reaction, where we took the wool, submerged it in the vinegar, then wrung it out, and then watched the oxygen react to the iron in the wool. Initially for the temperature changed from 26 degrees Celsius to, after 5 minutes, 38 degrees Celsius. And then again at 10 minutes, it dropped back down to 30 degrees Celsius. Visually, the wool turned brown to indicate rusting, I guess, and then kind of shriveled up a little bit. For activity 2, the decomposition reaction, we mixed the hydrogen peroxide with the yeast. When you mix them, you combine the two, it kind of formed a gas, which was like bubbles. It just kind of flew up to the top of the beaker with the yeast, and then the hydrogen peroxide decomposed. For number 3, a single replacement reaction. It created the gas using the magnesium strip, and then we took the gas and put the flame into the thing. The flame split into the gas. It kind of created this popping noise, and the flame flickered a lot while it was popping. That indicated that there was hydrogen in the gas. For number 4, when you combined them, there was lots of bubbling. You could obviously see that there was a gas form with the vinegar and the baking soda. So you took the solid and the liquid and made a gas. When you stuck the fire in it, you could tell there was oxygen and hydrogen in the gas that was created. For number 5 was a combustion reaction. This one was a little bit harder. So when you created the reaction that caused the bubbles with the with the vinegar and the baking soda, and you held it next to the flame, the flames kind of swelled and then went down, but then it extinguished. I don't know if the extinguishing part was supposed to happen, but every time I would hold the bubbling gas next to it, it would make the flame swell so you could see the reaction, but then it would immediately extinguish the flame. Also, the flame, when you were holding the beaker over the flame to collect or to build up the reactant around it, it turned the glass beaker black, like a black soot around it. For number 6, it was as the gases combined it began bubbling into the lime through the reaction, and then it would create these like little small beads that were solids on the bottom of the beaker. And then for number 7, when it lit the wool, it just kind of made this trail of fire, which was bright orange, and it would just kind of spread across the separated wool while it was sparking pieces off into the pan. And that was it.